In recent years, the raw food diet has taken the wellness world by storm. More and more people are showing interest in this way of eating. The diet's emphasis on fresh, unprocessed ingredients is a major draw for many. Proponents of the diet often cite various health benefits, including weight loss, increased energy, and improved digestion. Social media platforms play a significant role in the raw food trend. Pictures of colorful salads, smoothies, and raw desserts flood our feeds, making the diet seem more attractive. The increasing availability of raw food products also contributes to the diet's popularity. Supermarkets and health food stores now offer a wide variety of raw snacks, meals, and ingredients.
The raw food diet centers around consuming food in its natural, uncooked state. This typically means foods that haven't been heated above a certain temperature, usually around 104 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 to 48 degrees Celsius. Advocates believe that cooking destroys valuable enzymes and nutrients, reducing the nutritional value of food. A raw food diet primarily consists of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sprouted grains. Some individuals also incorporate raw dairy, fish, meat, and unpasteurized honey, depending on their interpretation and adherence to the diet. The emphasis is on consuming organic and locally sourced produce whenever possible. This minimizes exposure to pesticides and supports sustainable agriculture. Water intake is crucial on a raw food diet, aiding in digestion and helping the body flush out toxins.
Advocates of the raw food diet often tout a wide range of potential health benefits. One of the most commonly cited benefits is weight loss. Raw foods tend to be lower in calories and higher in fiber compared to cooked foods. This can lead to feeling fuller for longer and consuming fewer calories overall. Improved digestion is another frequently mentioned advantage. The high fiber content in raw fruits and vegetables can promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation.
The raw food diet is often promoted for its potential to detoxify the body. The idea is that by consuming unprocessed, nutrient-rich foods, the body can better eliminate toxins. However, it's important to note that the human body has its own natural detoxification system. Some individuals report experiencing increased energy levels on a raw food diet, possibly due to the abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants.
While the raw food diet emphasizes consuming foods in their natural state to preserve nutrients, there's an ongoing debate about the bioavailability of nutrients in raw versus cooked foods. Some nutrients are actually more readily absorbed by the body after cooking. For example, cooking can break down cell walls in vegetables, making it easier for our bodies to access certain nutrients. One well-known example is lycopene, an antioxidant found in tomatoes. Lycopene is more readily available to the body when tomatoes are cooked, especially with a healthy fat source like olive oil. Similarly, cooking can increase the digestibility of protein in certain foods, such as legumes and eggs. On the other hand, some vitamins, such as vitamin C, are heat-sensitive and can be lost through cooking. Steaming or stir-frying vegetables generally results in less nutrient loss compared to boiling. Weighing the evidence. Pros and cons of embracing a raw food lifestyle. Pros: increased intake of fruits and vegetables. The raw food diet naturally encourages a high intake of fruits and vegetables, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Weight management. Raw foods tend to be lower in calories and higher in fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and potentially aid in weight management. Reduced intake of processed foods. By emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods, the raw food diet helps limit the consumption of unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium found in many processed foods. Cons: nutrient deficiencies. A strict raw food diet can increase the risk of nutrient deficiencies, particularly for vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and vitamin D. Digestive issues. Consuming a high amount of fiber without adequate hydration can lead to digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and cramps. Social challenges. Following a raw food diet can be socially isolating, as it can be difficult to eat out or attend social gatherings where cooked food is the norm. It's important to note that individual experiences can vary, and it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes.
A day on your plate, sample meal plan for raw food enthusiasts. Breakfast, green smoothie with spinach, banana, mango, chia seeds, and almond milk. Lunch, large salad with mixed greens, chopped vegetables, avocado, sprouted lentils, and a lemon tahini dressing. Dinner, zucchini noodles with a raw tomato marinara sauce, topped with fresh basil and pine nuts. Snacks, sliced fruits and vegetables with almond butter. Raw energy bars made with dates, nuts, and seeds.
I decided to try the raw food diet to improve my digestion and boost my energy levels. I was initially drawn to the idea of consuming pure unprocessed foods. While I did experience increased energy in the first few weeks, I eventually started feeling tired and sluggish. I also struggled with constantly feeling hungry, even though I was eating large quantities of food. Ultimately, I found the diet too restrictive and challenging to maintain long term, but I continue to incorporate more raw fruits and vegetables into my diet.
I've been following a primarily raw food diet for the past 5 years, and I feel incredible. I've lost weight, my digestion has improved significantly, and I have more energy than ever before. It does require planning and preparation, but I find it very sustainable.
While I applaud the emphasis on fruits and vegetables in the raw food diet, I caution against adopting an exclusively raw diet without proper guidance from a healthcare professional. It's crucial to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs and to address any potential deficiencies through supplementation or strategic food choices. Incorporating a variety of cooking methods and focusing on a balanced, sustainable approach to eating is key.
From a digestive perspective, while some individuals may experience improvements in digestion on a raw food diet, others may find it challenging to digest large amounts of raw food. It's essential to listen to your body and work with a healthcare professional to determine what works best for your individual needs.
You don't have to follow a strict raw food diet to reap the benefits of incorporating more raw fruits and vegetables into your diet. Here are some practical tips for adding more raw foods to your daily routine. Start your day with a green smoothie. Blend together leafy greens, fruits, and a liquid of your choice for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Make salads a staple. Experiment with different salad combinations using a variety of colorful vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Snack on raw fruits and vegetables. Keep a variety of pre-cut fruits and vegetables on hand for convenient and healthy snacks. Incorporate raw ingredients into cooked meals. Add a side of raw vegetables to your dinner plate or toss some fresh herbs into your cooked dishes.
The raw food diet, with its emphasis on fresh, unprocessed foods, offers potential health benefits. However, it's important to approach this dietary approach with a balanced perspective. While increasing your intake of raw fruits and vegetables can be beneficial, exclusively consuming raw foods can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health challenges. Ultimately, the key to a healthy and sustainable diet is balance, variety, and moderation. Before making any significant dietary changes, it's always best to consult with your healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. The best diet for you is one that you can maintain long-term and that supports your overall health and well-being.